Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to create anchor links on Elementor. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply select an element. So this can be a widget, container or section, and then what you're going to have to do is simply click the advanced tab and then simply fill in a name in the CSS ID text box, which is this one here at the bottom. And then this is the anchor name, so it's best to keep it simple. Now the next step is to simply select the text you want for the link and then simply click the link icon. And as you can see, if you're linking to an anchor on the same page, simply enter and then anchor name. So you're gonna have to enter this symbol here and then simply the anchor name, which is the one that you just added here in the CSS ID. And if the anchor icon is on a different page, enter the URL followed by a symbol and then the anchor. So this is the example, so this is gonna be how it should be. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.